Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through a routine maintenance for Starkey hearing aids. Be sure to have replacement wax guards on hand, as well as a brush. This would also be a good opportunity to replace your domes if you'd like. First, remove the dome. This allows us access to the wax guard so that we can replace it. Excuse the blur in the video, but the white part in the center is the wax guard. Grab the wax guard replacement tool. One end is used to remove the existing wax guard inside of your hearing aid. The other end is used to insert the new wax guard into the hearing aid. Firmly place the removal tool into the existing wax guard in your hearing aid, and then pull it out. Flip the tool to the side with the new wax guard. Firmly place that wax guard into the speaker of the hearing aid, and then pull it out. You may now place your new or old dome back onto the hearing aid. You should be able to feel it snap into place, so that it doesn't fall off. The final step is to brush the microphones. This is to remove any debris that might be causing disruption. Here's a closer look at the microphones. Maintenance on your hearing aid should be done about once a month. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.